Tonight I want to talk to you about multiplying by the reciprocal. It works both ways. We're only taught in middle school or in 4th or 5th grade how to use it to divide with fractions, but it's useful all over the place. So here I'm showing you 8 divided into groups of 1/2. Here's a number line, 0 to 8. There are 16 halves encompassing that 8. So 8 divided into groups of 1/2 is 16. Multiplying by the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1, or just 2. 8 times 2 is also 16. Here I have 4 divided into groups of 2/3, and then 4 times 3/2, multiplying by the reciprocal. I want to show you 4 broken up into groups of 2/3. This is 2/3. And then 1/2, 4 times, is 6. 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. There are many ways to think about the same problem and get the same answer. This is a more classic problem as to when you would use multiply by the reciprocal. 5/6 divided by 2/3. You would just flip essentially the second fraction and then multiply across and get 15/12. There are many other ways to think about this problem. You can't always find a common denominator to divide, so I converted 2/3 to 4/6. 5 then divide straight across. 5 divided by 4 is 5/4. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Anything divided by 1 is just the anything. So the answer is 5/4. And down here, I know I can simplify this before finding an answer. I'm showing that by factoring 6 into 3 times 2. 3/3 is an example of 1. So you're left with 5 in the numerator and just 1 times 2 times 2, or 4 in the denominator. The answer is 5/4 here as well. Your children could learn lots of ways to work on these problems.